everyone, my name is Kristi and welcome to day 676 of trying a new makeup product every day. Today I'm trying out the Lorac Los Angeles Pro Plus Fiber Mascara, and this was part of an Ulta mascara sample bag. But I'm really excited about this because the picture on this packaging looks crazy. We're gonna see if that actually happens, but look at that difference, wow. I don't think I've really tried many products, if any, from the brand Lorac Los Angeles, but this sounds so nice. It says that it's buildable, volumizing, and lengthening. That's loaded with nylon fibers that cling to your lashes like mini extensions. It's supposed to help curl, lengthen, and appear gorgeously lush. And this is a high-end mascara, in my opinion. The full-size version retails for $24 at Ulta. And ooh, it is nice packaging, even just this little sample here. I like that it's got this matte black. All right, so let's check out the wand. Ooh, this is an interesting shape. I don't know if I've tried a mascara wand this shape. Here you can see it's like a cone shape. This seems like the perfect shape to really get the lashes. All right, I'm gonna try it out. And this is in the shade black, by the way. I seriously love this wand shape for getting those little inner corner lashes. I think I usually miss those lashes because they're so hard to get with a regular wand. But then it does kind of make it hard to get the outer corner lashes because it doesn't reach them with the regular round base of the mascara wand. So then I try and get them with the point and it doesn't really get them. But my first layer of mascara is looking really good. It kept all of the lashes separated and fanned out and made them darker, so they're looking fully black. They are not looking super volumized or curled or lengthened at this point. So I am gonna go in with another layer. Hopefully this can build up. It's building up, but as I add more mascara, it's making the lashes start to clump together. And this formula is reminding me of a lot of other mascaras I've tried out that end up doing this exact same thing. So I'm definitely not blown away. First impression, I've tried out a lot of mascaras, and some mascaras that truly blow me away that I'm obsessed with. And the one that I tried out most recently that I love is that Maybelline Colossal Mascara in the yellow tube. That one is amazing. So if you haven't seen my review on that, I will have that video linked down below. So I would definitely prefer that mascara over this one. And this one's a lot more expensive. It's 3 times as expensive as that mascara. So the lashes look fine, but I know that my lashes can look better. They're not looking super full. They're not looking super volumized and lengthened. I don't see much curl. There's no clumping, which is good. But for $24, if I'm spending that much money on my mascara, I want it to be amazing. I do like this on the lower lashes. It's a good size wand for that. And I really like that I didn't get any mascara on my eyelid because of the shape of this wand. But now I'll go ahead and apply it to the other eye so that I can really determine my thoughts on it. Okay, so mascara is applied, and honestly, I would just say that this is okay. It doesn't get my recommendation, especially for how expensive it is. I don't think it's worth the money. This doesn't have super high ratings on the Ulta website, and I would have to agree with those ratings. I'm glad I tried this out because I love trying out new mascaras, but this in no way looks like the picture. My lashes actually kind of look like the before picture because it's more like they look kind of sparse since they're sticking together. They're not looking full fanned out. So it's a bummer, but it's okay because I do have other mascaras that I can reach for that I do love. But if you've tried this before, I would love to know in the comments down below your thoughts on it. But thank you so much for watching my video today. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel so you can see the makeup that I try every day. And I will see you tomorrow in my next video.